Before you can go about building or fixing your credit score, you got to know where things stand. And it's a really simple way. You simply just look at your credit. But surprisingly, there's a lot of people who never actually think to do that. So then they're unaware and they don't know what's going on. So, my goal is to change that today. I want to show you some simple ways to simply check your credit score. So, a real easy way that a lot of people do, including myself, is go to this really popular website called Credit Karma. This is free to use, it's easy, gives you this snapshot of what's going on. You can see your credit score, your accounts, major changes over time. Think of this as kind of like a dashboard. Now, this score you see, some people complain that it's not very accurate. In my experience, it's been pretty close. So it's not perfect, but for the purposes I mentioned, it's a good starting point. Now, beyond that, you can go and also create an account with each of the three major credit bureaus. That'll be TransUnion, Equifax, and I'm already logged into Experian. And with these are companies that actually collect and report your credit data. So this will be a little bit more in depth, a little bit more accurate. And to do this, you just create accounts with them, and then it lets you see your credit report directly from the horse's mouth, directly from the source. Now, when you pull your credit report, the value is within the details. You want to verify all the information is accurate: your name, your accounts, your balances, your payment history. You want to make sure that everything you're seeing actually belongs to you. This does a few important things within the process because first, it lets you know where you currently stand. Second, it lets you know which areas of your credit matter most right now. And then third, it really helps you catch any mistakes or potential fraud early on because you don't want to wake up 10 years down the line and figure out this has been going on the entire time. So sometimes the issue with your credit isn't that anything you've done is wrong, it's just that the information being reported is bad information. So checking your credit score also helps you connect the dots. You get to see how late payments show up, how balances impact things, how time plays a role in it. And instead of guessing what to work on, you know exactly where to focus on building. Now, you don't have to check your credit score like literally every single day, but just being aware of what's going on is a good focal point to lean back on. And then just like scrolling around and making yourself familiar with the website. Like right now, I'm looking at the score ingredients directly from Experian, telling me how my credit score is made up. All right, 35% of my score, the highest percent. Payment history. All right, I better make my payments on time. Amount of debt, 30%. Length of history, 15%. Amount of new credit, 10%. Credit mix, 10%. So once you're aware, it leads to better decision making, and then better decisions lead to better credit over time. So this is where building control starts. It all starts with knowing how and where you could check your credit score. So again, you could go to Experian, you could go to Equifax, TransUnion, or even something like Credit Karma and go from there. So great luck out there, everybody.